on, no one will play with me. Ah! Oh look, it's squishy. That's my squishy.
3.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know. But I just found it sitting here, so I don't know if it's for sure yours because it looks like a squishy that I found that I lost last week.
3.
Mom!
3.
Wait, no, that's not fair. This is my squishy.
3.
It's a limited edition. And I got it for my birthday 2 years ago. And also I put this hole in it. See? Now I remember. I found it at the park last week. What, sweetheart?
3.
Well, never mind, Mom. Well, I guess you should have the squishy. I really did just find it last week on Friday. So,